Ooh la la.
Oh no, this is terrible. Shouldn't he have come up by now? Uh-oh, Simone! Where are you? Zoe, you gotta do something!
All right. Calloway, I need you to go in there and find Simone. Know you can do it, little buddy. Ugh.
You're kidding, right?
If Calloway can't find him, nobody can.
Oh, Bob!
Simone!
Told you.
I'm sorry if I caused you any worry, mademoiselle. But I have something for you. Maybe this will be a way to make it up.
Oh, it's beautiful! Where did you find it?
Yeah, it is beautiful. Where did you find it?
In a cave behind the waterfall. I thought it would look nice on you. But now I realize even the most precious gem cannot compare to your beauty.
Yeah. Were there any other jewels or gems or diamonds or anything else in there?
By the time I found the gold, I had already been gone from my Jeanette. Far too long.